is fishing. Grandma Duck, Minnie, Daisy, Pluto, and Gus are hiking through the woods. There they are now, climbing up the hill. First Grandma, then Minnie, then Daisy, then Pluto. Who is last?
Gus Goose.
Now they are going down the hill. First Grandma, then Minnie, then Daisy, then Pluto. And who is last?
Gus, of course.
What is Gus thinking about?
Taking a nap.
Lazy Gus.
Okay, it's your turn. While Donald
is fishing. Mickey.
Grandma Duck
Grandma Duck is hiking.
Grandma Duck
Grandma Duck and Minnie, Daisy, and Pluto
and
Gus are hiking.
hiking
Hiking
through
the woods.
there,
There they are now.
climbing
Climbing up the hill.
first,
First, Grandma,
then
then Minnie, then Daisy, then Pluto.
who
Who is next?
was that?
Gus.
Gus Goose.
Gus Goose.
Now
Now they're running down the hill. First Grandma, first Minnie, first Daisy,
then
then first
eh?
Pluto,
then Pluto.
then Pluto.
Who?
Who is last?
Gus, of course.
Gus. Oh, of course.
What is
What is
Gus
Gus thinking about? Sleeping.
taking
Taking a nap.
lazy?
Gus.
Yes, very good.
Another hill. Oh no, thinks Gus. Does Gus start to climb the hill?
No.
No, he doesn't. Gus stops. He's very tired.
He's very tired.
He's too tired to climb another hill.
He's too
He
tired.
wants to rest.
He's too tired
To begin.
to
Another hill.
another hill.
Oh,
Oh no. Thanks, Gus.
does
Gus climbing another hill.
Gus start to climb?
Does Gus start to climb the hill?
Does Gus start to climb another hill?
Yeah.
No. No, he.
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't go up.
Gus
Gus
stops.
stops.
He is.
He is very tired.
He's too.
He's too tired to climb another hill.
He wants.
He wants to climb a hill.
He wants to.
He wants to rest.
Yes, he wants to rest. 这边。
I'm tired.
Says Gus.
Let's stop and rest.
No, no, no.
Say the others.
Keep on climbing.
Okay. What does Gus say?
I'm tired.
Says Gus.
Says Gus. Let's stop and rest. No. Say Alice. Keep on climbing.
Oh. Keep on climbing, keep on climbing, keep on climbing.
At the top of the hill, there's a big field of daisies. It's time to rest. Gus is smiling. He's very happy.
He's very happy.
Loves
这边
to sit.
这
He
边
loves to rest.
He loves to sit. He loves to rest.
Okay. At the top
At the top of
the
the hill
there is a
field of daisies.
there's a big field.
There's a big field of daisies.
It's time.
It's time to go rest.
No. It's time to rest.
It's time to rest.
Gus
Gustav rest.
Gus is
Gus is love rest.
smiling. Gus is
Smiling.
he's very
He's very happy. He loves rest.
Gus loves to sit.
Gus loves to sit.
He loves to
rest.
Is everyone resting?
Yes.
Yes.
Pluto.
Is everyone resting?
Yes.
No. Not everyone.
Not everyone.
Who isn't resting?
Who is unresting?
Who isn't resting?
Who is unresting?
Who isn't resting?
Gus.
No? He's resting. Who isn't resting? Who? Who is this?
Minnie.
Minnie isn't resting.
He's picking flowers.
While the others are resting, Minnie is skipping through the field.
Okay.
While out there resting,
Minnie is
Minnie's picking to a field.
skipping through the field.
Skipping to a field.
Field.
Minnie
is
picking flowers.
She is packing a.
She's picking flowers.
She's picking flowers.
Yes.
What does she do?
Huh?
Oh, wow! She wants to making a.
Minnie is making a daisy chain. She ties all the daisies together, one daisy to another, until she has a chain of daisies.
Chain. Minnie is
tying the chain.
Minnie is making
Minnie is making a two of twins.
Minnie is making a daisy chain.
Minnie is making
A daisy chain.
a daisy chain.
She ties
She ties
all the
flowers,
all the daisies
all the daisies
together.
together.
She ties all the daisies together.
He ties all the daisies together.
One daisy to another
One daisy to another.
until she has a chain of daisy.
Until she has a chain of daisies.
Of daisies.
好了，
好了，我们先念到这边吧。